love, my wife, my Elisa.
I can't believe the day is finally here.
You are the best thing that has ever happened to me. You are the best part of me. You are perfect.
I have dreamt of this day since I was a little girl, but not even in my wildest dreams could I have ever dreamt up a man more perfect, kind, and caring than you.
I am so lucky that I share my life with the most beautiful, intelligent, and amazing woman I have ever known.
My heart is so filled with love and happiness today. I want to remember everything about this day.
We officially start our family together, hand in hand, husband and wife, king and queen, and I am the happiest I have ever been.
This is the start of the rest of our life together. Thank you for allowing me to experience the purest and deepest emotion of my lifetime.
For the rest of time, I promise to give you all of myself and the family we will create.
Cheers to the beautiful life we have created together. Always, Elisa.
I love you so much, Elisa. Love, your husband.
And promises, how to be brave, how can I love when I'm afraid to fall, but watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow.
I, Shawn,
take you, Elisa,
take you, Elisa,
to be my wife.
to be my wife.
I promise
I promise
to be faithful to you
to be faithful to you
in good times and in bad,
in good times and in bad,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love you and to honor you
to love you and to honor you
all the days of my life.
all the days of my life.
I, Elisa,
Take you, Shawn,
take you, Shawn,
to be my husband.
to be my husband.
I promise
I promise
to be faithful to you
to be faithful to you
in good times and in bad,
in good times and in bad,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love you and to honor you
to love you and to honor you
all the days of my life.
all the days of my life.